In this short video, I'm going to tell you more about POM sheets. This material is a robust, technical plastic that's also known as polyacetal or Delrin. POM is a strong plastic with excellent form-retaining properties and very low frictional resistance, so this sheet is very resistant to wear. POM is also resistant to the chemicals used in factories, so this material is widely used in the food industry. Thanks to its stability, this plastic is perfect for making precision components, such as gears, bearings, and other parts in machine construction. Due to the rigidity of this material, POM isn't suitable for bending and welding. The sheet is suitable for use within a wide range of temperatures, from -40 to 120 degrees Celsius. POM is also moisture resistant. It's easy to process POM, even for a DIYer. You can saw, mill, drill, and turn this material. You can also cut these sheets with a water jet or laser. Are you planning to use POM sheets for your next project, or are you looking for a different type of technical plastic? In our range you'll find not only POM sheets, but also HDPE, polyamide sheets, polythene and hard PVC. Order your sheet in our webshop and we'll cut it to size for you in any shape you require. If you'd like to learn more about POM sheets, please view our blog about this topic. You'll find the link in the description below this video. For more DIY tips, ideas and inspiration, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to plasticsheetshop.co.uk/blog.